Why does everyone today want a digital twin? It was a few years ago while I was attending an Industry 4.0 conference that it hit me. Amid talks of IoT, big data, AI and ML, I noticed everyone was dismissing the digital twin due to the complexity and potential cost of digitally mirroring the product and manufacturing processes. It was at that moment when everyone was going one way on trying to avoid all risk that I realized I had to go the other. It was a gut feeling more than anything, but I'd realized the digital twin wasn't some new tech gimmick, but would be sooner or later the de facto for every organization in order to survive and thrive. And over the last 2.5 years, the COVID-19 era has only served furthermore to accelerate that demand. There are so many possibilities, ranging from virtual models of products and processes to complete shop floors in manufacturing and production, to smart cities and even the human body. Creating complex networks and models of digital twins which can gather relevant data regarding almost anything is probably something that not so distant future holds for industry and humankind everywhere. The technology has been making big leaps over the last few years. The concept of the digital twin is made possible by the advances in CAD, simulation, and Internet of Things. It's now much easier to visualize components, equipment, processes, and people. It's straightforward to attach sensors and actuators to a physical object, such as a part within an asset or the entire asset itself, to capture contextual and operational data and control the object from its digital twin.
This is often characterized as a bi-directional flow of data from the product to the manufacturing line, from the physical to the digital and back. However, each digital twin will involve multiple levels and threads of information. It's not simply between the physical object and its twin, but also between the twin and the enterprise systems, such as your CAD, PLM, ERP, and MOM, all helping to create the initial model and supply supporting data in real time or near real time to build a complete picture of the object or asset. Data flows between the asset, its digital twin, and everything that needs to access the twin to view, manage, or manipulate the data. The more advanced analytics and simulation you perform through the digital twin, the more people will be involved in the process. But creating these complex systems is far from easy. A good amount of resources are needed, ranging from people, money, and time to smart components, sensors, servers, and processing power, which at the same time needs to be compatible in order to communicate with each other. Next time, let's look at the steps to creating your digital manufacturing twin. Until then, have a great week ahead.